Akiranyo. You said Jokuna. Akiranyo. Can we have a moment of silence for radio? Yeah, man. Okay. Tonight is about celebrating Weasel, celebrating good life, and celebrating radio and Magic Washington. We gave you music for 10 years. We disorganized people like Bebe Cool, people like Chameleon, people like Bobby Wine. Yes, we gave you competition to the fullest. And I'm very proud to say that you also gave us a run for our team. As Weasel comes down to the stage, I would like to thank Robert Events. I would like to thank Skypins. I would like to thank Pepsi Cola. I would like to thank Starflex. I would like to thank NBS and all the media houses that have supported us. Now, for my people in case I know you're here, I want to sing for you a song. And it goes like this. Please don't play. We'll sing together. My baby, Ijiji Mijo, Bala, yes, my baby, Ijiji Mijo, Bala. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Weasel on the stage. Yes, I am. Lights up.